Okay, we're solving, we're checking. Step 2, combine like terms. It's the -4 and the +9. Bring down the 5x. Signs are opposite, subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. I have more positives. Variables are on the left, so I need constants to be over here on the right. Got to get rid of this +5 by doing the opposite. Bring down the 5x. These are gone. 15 minus 5 is 10. Last step, get this variable by itself by dividing both sides by 5. I think x is 2. Gonna check. Instead of x's, I'm gonna put a 2 in its place. So this becomes 5 times 2. And then just copy everything else. Multiply 10. I'm going to start combining my positives together, make 19. I like to do it that way, but you can go and solve however you want. And then 15 equals 15. I know I'm right because I got the same number on both sides. I can now box my answer.